If you're watching this, that means you're interested in making 10 USD per test every 10 minutes or so when you complete the test. So you can do $10 over and over and over as long as you complete tests. So this is what I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to show you how you can make $10 over and over by just completing a few tests on the website. I'm going to talk a little bit in a second. So stick with me all the way to the end so I can show you all the tricks you need to do on this website. And before we go ahead and start this video, go ahead guys and click the subscribe button. It's going to be a great honor to have you on my website. I learn a lot from you as well. I want to get your feedback as well, so go ahead and click the subscribe button. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and see what's all the fuss about on this site today, guys. Userfield.com. Do you feel it? I feel it. We're gonna make $10 for each test and it's gonna be great. All the links you're gonna need is gonna be on the website below, so in the description below. And Userfield.com, what it does is a usability testing tool that gives you videos of real users speaking their thoughts as they use their website or app. So guys, we gonna become testers. I'm a tester, you're gonna become a tester as well, so you can try, because I tried it, it's working out great. And you're gonna give feedback for websites and applications for people that they want to see how their website, like the e-commerce stores, and how everything else is working. It's multilingual, so if you are multiple languages speaker, you can apply for this and run it. It's paying out by PayPal and Payoneer, so it's good because a lot of people asking me for more options. As you can see, it's a multilingual site, so test any site on any language. Our partners consist of more than 20,000 testers speaking 40,000 languages, so it doesn't matter where you're from, India, Bangladesh, United States, Africa. You can go ahead and use your language because these people want to get feedback from all around the world. So that's where we come in, guys. We complete the test and do it. Now, a little bit how it works. I'm going to show you a small click for a few seconds. When you come to the site, just click down.
Remote usability testing is the easiest and quickest way to increase your website's or app's performance. It lets you see your website or app through your user's eyes. Set a scenario. For example, it's your wedding anniversary and you want to buy your spouse a present. Choose a present in the $100 to $300 range and go through the checkout process. Real users will immediately visit your website and use our screen recording software to record their screen and voice as they perform the tasks you have requested.
How do I find out what size medium is?
I'm not gonna leave the video play all the way, guys. You can watch it from your side as well, but as you can see, now that I stop the video, this girl is browsing over the e-commerce store and she's having a question where to find the medium size. So people who have these stores, they want to get the feedback. If somebody's having a hard time to find something on their store, guys, they are not gonna buy. So that's why we come in to fix all these things, and you're gonna get this feedback. Don't get stressed out because you saw these guys using a specific tool there. All you need to do is a computer with a mic and a camera. Your face is not going to show, guys. Don't worry about this. Just your voice is you're going to be giving feedback. So it's very easy. The only thing I want you guys to do is to click on the Become a Tester on the very top of the menu on this side, and it's going to load you on this page. As you can see, Become a Tester and earn $10 per test, with each test taking 10 to 20 minutes. Now, what I want you to check, because as I told you, a lot of people asking me, how do I get paid? You'll be getting paid by PayPal and Payoneer. So PayPal is not the only way out. Payoneer will do as well. So guys, this is what I want to show you today. A very nice, tested, friendly site that they will pay you $10 over and over for each test you're gonna do. It's very easy. You have two ways to get it paid. So what I would like to ask you to do is go ahead, subscribe, log in, become a tester, try it out, see if it's working for you, and start making some money. This is what I want to show you guys today. Thank you so much for you watching this video. I hope you liked the content. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe. I want you on my channel, guys. And with no further ado, go ahead and start making some money, guys. Thank you so much. Until the next video, see you soon, guys. Thank you so much.